Hey, Brian from Walt. Today I have a Worthmah battery. It's a 20 volt, 5 amp. So we'll take it out, and so it will fit your DeWalt type devices. Give you an idea. I have a DeWalt charger here. So that goes in, and you can tell from a blinking light it's starting to charge. So that's pretty neat. And then it has a power meter on it, so it'll give you a quick view of how much battery life you have in. And then your DeWalt drill will just disconnect the DeWalt battery, and then this pack fits on. So yeah, there you go. And again, just fits on the charger, starts charging no problem. And it came about 3/4 of the way charged, so that's pretty good. So you can use it basically right out of the box, but for best use I would probably charge it fully. But yeah, that is another alternative to some of the DeWalt batteries. Like you said, and size comparison. So this is their DeWalt 2 amp battery. This is the 5 amp. So you can tell there's a lot more battery capacity in there. And I mean, it just feels slightly heavier. So, and it has the same hooking mechanism, same power clips. And I like that they both have the meter on it. However, this one only has the 3 bars. This one has the 4 bars, just to give you a better, how much time you actually have left. So yeah, good deal. All right, Brian from Walt. Thanks for watching, and be safe out there.